Now to politics in Edo State. New videos have emerged that show young men actively eliminating the African Democratic Congress political presence in the state. In the videos, which began circulating on Tuesday, men are seen pulling down billboards, while another video shows one of the party's headquarters sealed off to the public. Let's take a look.
Anything ADC for Edo State, we don't need them. Not be Isha at all. We don't need them. What the governor they do for Isha? Una the grace. We don't want to see una again for Isha. God punish you now. Not the grace.
Here is our ADC Secretary Award 6. We have just been told that Edo State government has come to seal our office up here. So this is they are written up, and this is the twine they use in sealing it.
Edo State
Edo
again.
State.
As of now,
of my brother Okpebholo.
We have not seen any comment from officials or the police in the state. But online, a number of Nigerians have called out these actions, calling them undemocratic, stating that everyone should have the right to freely campaign or campaign freely. Edo State again in the news for these
people that shot at the ADC.
Yes.
Whatever. Have they brought them to book?
Yeah.
There
was one young man that was arrested.
Was online. That was online. That was the one that went to now say, started threatening online that the DSS picked up. But those that shot, as they brought them to book,
we haven't seen them.
the state been able to provide security? No, you see, because go and watch his interview that he did with Babatunde Ochitoju. You would see why he was bragging. Opposition, Babajide. Opposition, they can't be here. You can't see Obaseki people here at all. You see, so it is an administration that stifles opposition. They don't even want it around. So when you see them damaging things like that, they will never come out and give statements. And we'll keep telling them the truth. Please, let's do it with sense. Because nothing lasts forever.
No, this is
and we've seen people,
undemocratic.
If they tell you that today El-Rufai and Peter Obi can be on one side, you will not believe it. Because as a last election, El-Rufai and Peter Obi on one different side. The same El-Rufai that was teamship in last election is the one now that is in incarceration in this administration. The same administration brought it. So be careful, do it with sense. Don't die in their war.
Comment. One sentence. I think we should avoid the error of innuendo. The persons who were pulling down those billboards, yes, those are the persons who should be identified and sanctioned. We can't prove that he's the governor that sent them. No. We cannot. No, investigation will reveal who.
But who said it was the governor?
Who said it was the governor? They were showing the picture of the governor. The image of the governor. It's not what. No. The station was showing the station.
But his
picture was there.
But he's Edo State now.
No. Let's just avoid the error.
We are calling on the governor to investigate.
Because the chief security officer of the state.
The chief security officer.
Insinuate.
Who is
when we talk about Edo State, the chief security officer.
Did we say that Okpebholo?
No.
Let's say that.
Let's just stay with principles. Free space for everybody, whether in Edo or anywhere. Let us not
who is insinuated? You've not been able to say who is insinuated.
Also remind them of what happened with the with the ATC.
Yes, now. And he has not said. In fact, he pushed the blame on the ADC. And he's saying he doesn't want opposition. He said opposition doesn't thrive in the state.
Our producer said, "May we not leave Akpako what?
Akpako
democratic space."
Well, all right. Open democratic, completely undemocratic. Well, all right. I mean, we have more stories.